Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cunning Beauty. I am Delisa and I'm here with another video for you today. So this video is going to be super quick, mainly because it's really going to take no effort at all, which is why I'm so excited to show you what today's video is about. So today's video is about this hair. Y'all, do y'all like this new hair that I'm rocking? Super cute, nice and big. Long. I love it, I love it. But I wanted to give you all the details on this hair that I have. So the new trend right now that I'm sure you've seen on Facebook or Instagram or TikTok are headband wigs. So this is a headband wig and it is a 22-inch water wave headband wig that I bought from a company called Beauty Forever through AliExpress. This is my first time buying from AliExpress, and I will say my overall experience was actually really good. It came super fast. I think I got it within like maybe 5 or 6 days, which is pretty good considering it's coming from China. But nonetheless, the hair is really nice and soft. You all know that I am very lazy when it comes to my natural hair. I hardly even wear my natural hair out anymore unless it's like up in a puff or like a slick down ponytail or something like that. But usually I'm rocking my clip-ins or my clip-ins. I love my clip-ins, I'm sorry. Like they're just so easy to put in and I can just go about my day. But this right here, this is going to be my new style. I wanna apologize already because the next few pictures and videos that you all see me in on Facebook and Instagram is going to be with this hairstyle. I may switch up the headband to match my outfit, but this is probably gonna be the hair you see me rocking for the next few weeks at least, I don't know. But anyway, I'm loving this hair. It's super easy to install. It takes no time, no effort. So if you're having a bad hair day or if you want some versatility with your hair, with your outfits, this is the way to go. So I'm going to leave the information for this hair in the description box. I was actually inspired by Crowns K. If you all don't follow Crowns K either on Instagram or YouTube, you are definitely missing out on some dope content. But I'm a huge fan of Crowns K and I saw this wig that she did a video on her YouTube channel. So I decided to buy it myself because not only am I somewhat an influencer, but I am influenced by other influencers. So that was my inspiration of buying this hair and I'm super happy that I did because I've already received so many compliments and it was just, again, super easy to install. I'm going to do an unboxing of the wig to show you everything that it came with, and then I'm going to install it so you can see how quick and easy it was to install this hair. And then that's really it. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when all of my new videos are coming out. And make sure you are following me on Instagram at cunning_beauty. All right, y'all, let me show you how to get this hair rocking. Okay, so this is the box that it came in. Just gonna open it up. So just to kind of show you what comes in it, it does come with a wig cap, which I already have a wig cap on, so I'm good there, but it does come with a wig cap. They do provide one headband to go along with the headband wig. I won't wear this one today, but it does come with it. And then this is the wig. We're gonna take it on out and see what this looks like. So this is the Brazilian water wave in 22 inches. So here is the headband. And if I take these plastic parts off, it looks like it is like a Velcro to secure the headbands. Here, see the Velcro there. So it looks like it has 3 clips in the front, one here, and then one here on this side. And then it does come with a clip in the back. And The hair does feel pretty soft. So I mean, there's nothing to it but to do it, right? So we're just gonna go ahead and throw this on and see what it looks like. So this comb is gonna come in the front. All right, so I have it secured in the front with the clips. So then I'm gonna clip the back. So simple. And so far the clips seem pretty comfortable, I will say, but obviously it's not like I haven't worn it for a full day yet to see how comfortable it really is, but so far, so good. So let's clip this headband. Actually, I'm gonna put this hair away so I can clip the back. I mean, is that it? Like, simple enough to me. So this is the actual headband I'm going to be wearing today, this leopard headband. I'm gonna make it into a headband. It's actually a scarf, but we all know how that goes. Actually gonna tie it up this way. So I decided to put the little ties underneath, but how easy was this to install, y'all? That took no time at all. Super cute. Now I can go out and run my errands or go to the store, go out, whatever I want to do with this hair because it was so easy to do. And this hair is very versatile. Like, I can put this back in a ponytail and it'd be really cute in a ponytail, or I can put it up, like do like a half up, half down look, like this, or even like all the way up in a bun. Like, just so versatile on how I can wear this hair. Look at that, look how cute that would be. If you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, bye.